today on Montgomery Studio.
Wait, Will, how tall are you for reference?
5'9". Yeah, I'm gonna hit it again because they just keep getting better. And then it comes back. We build a ramp. Idiot! Come over here!
Will, do a trick.
Oh my god!
I whipped them around.
Shake and bake.
Holy shit! Oh, that was pretty good.
That was beautiful.
You ready, Will?
Oh.
Jim, you gonna hit it? Jim's hitting it.
Tag Eddie Eagle in this video. You just hold it straight.
Up and far enough to hit the other side. Brad, put my ski boots on.
Hey Brad, I've never even tried skiing. I can't do that.
I'm ready. I haven't snowboarded in like 2 years. Yeah, I gotta go faster.
It looks like Owen landed and then just disappeared.
I got a proper helmet this time.
Yeah.
Don't have goggles.
They're overrated.
It looks tiny from over there.
Wait, Will, how tall are you for reference?
5'9".
It still launches me boner air. I still haven't landed the jump properly.
There you go. Oh, so much better. You can't land on the
Yeah, I'm gonna hit it again because they just keep getting better.
Oh, that's cold. That's why I brought my goggles.
Hey, Owen.
You're gonna do like a backflip.
Not as straight up as you think it is.
You wanna launch me off that one? Sure.
Is that my bag? I don't know whose bag that was, but I'm in the snow.
Holy!
I pulled myself into that one.
Oh, close to the same spot. Oh, that was the same spot.
I felt the ground.
Okay, Brad, fire up.
Good thing these aren't park jumps. William was like, can you flip up that spot just in case? Yeah, he's gonna land on the same spot.
Yeah.
That was fun. That was nice.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah!
Wow.
There, pass that double. Pass that double.
Hey!
Just going too quick.
Oh, my arms. Yeah.
Okay. Hope to know they take longer. Ow. I'm not gonna be able to shovel much longer.
Yeah. Need some food.
I
Quick
need
break.
some food.
Food, hot chocolate.
Energy.
So it's not all go-go here at Montgomery Studio. We do take some breaks.
Like right now. What are we doing next?
I wonder.
I don't know. Ask the map.
Swipe or no swiping?
Oh man. Soy Dora. Just put a hot chocolate on the ground.
Well, do you shit yourself?
Oh. Man. Today, on Montgomery studio. Then it's gonna be like some kind of montage. And then it comes back. We build a ramp. By the way, everybody, this is Josh.
Josh, say hi to Josh.
No, Josh was in the other video.
Yeah, I was in the first video.
Forget about it.
And he'll be in the next one that gets posted, because remember, we were out here.
And the next one too, probably.
When it was just
And then you'll
cold
probably be in the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Look at my minion.
Yeah.
You should just like jump over it, because that's a lot of hill we have to chop. It's the only explanation to this.
I'm not chopping much. I'll show you what I gotta chop when I get over there. Let me just do it like in a Minecraft, cutting things down with my shovel.
It went down my coat.
Did you break it?
No.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, so I did break something.
These are good shovels.
Yeah, I know, that's kind of why I'm bummed.
These are $100 shovels, Brad.
I thought you were gonna flip it.
I thought so too. Yeah, I got the full thing. I mean, except for your head.
Not bad. There you go. Yes! One more. If I don't land it, I never will.
That's pretty sick.
Come on. This is cold, Virginia. No way! Holy! Unreal feeling when you land it for the first time.
That feels so good.
I know.
Holy.
Oh, no way.
Oh, that's awesome.
Should I go for it now?
Still can't do a 360.
Okay, I'll conquer the backflip next time.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh my, that is such a good feeling. Oh,
That's so cool. Well done.
oh my,
It's
so easy too. I know. Well, that three, I didn't think I was coming around off that three. I felt like I was stopped back, like backwards in the air. I was like, fucking, I'm landing backwards. I was almost getting ready, so my tip went down and my toe went up.
Arm, my face is frozen.
Good day, Dad.
Thanks for watching. I gotta go pick up Jaden.
Alright, bye Brad.
Bye, Brad.
Yeah, well that was fun. That's the end of the video pretty much.
I gotta go to Nathan's. Bye, guys.
Okay, we get screwed, okay? You sticking with me? Yeah. He landed a 360.
He did a backflip.
Yeah.
It was cold, too dark to film anymore, so we just kind of you know, came in because you got called. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.
So.